Boston Kitchen Remodelers, everything you need to know. Whether you're planning a complete overhaul or a minor update, finding the right kitchen remodeler is crucial. When looking for kitchen remodelers, there are several common mistakes you should avoid to ensure a smooth renovation process. These mistakes can lead to delays, unexpected costs, and unsatisfactory results. Knowing these pitfalls, you can make informed decisions and achieve the kitchen of your dreams. One of the biggest mistakes is not checking references. Always ask for references and follow up with past clients to understand the remodeler's work quality and reliability. Another common mistake is not setting a budget. Determine your budget before searching for a remodeler to avoid overspending and ensure you can afford the project. Hiring a remodeler without proper insurance is a significant risk. To protect yourself from potential liabilities, verify that the remodeler has insurance before hiring them. Not getting a written contract can lead to misunderstandings and disputes. Always get a detailed written contract outlining the scope of work and payment terms to ensure clarity and agreement. Choosing a remodeler based solely on price can be a mistake. Consider factors beyond price, such as experience, reputation, and quality of work, to make a well-rounded decision. Here are the most asked questions about Boston Kitchen Remodelers. How long will the kitchen renovation take? The timeline can vary depending on the scope of work, but on average, it can take 4 to 8 weeks. Do I need to obtain permits for the renovation? Yes, kitchen renovations typically require permits to ensure that the work meets building codes and regulations. What is the cost of a kitchen renovation? The cost of a kitchen renovation can vary widely depending on factors such as the size of the kitchen, materials used, and scope of work. Can I change the design during the renovation process? It is possible to change the design during the renovation process, but it may impact the timeline and budget. Will I need to move out during the renovation? In some cases, it may be necessary to temporarily move out during a kitchen renovation, especially if major structural changes are being made. Do you offer a warranty on your work? Yes, we offer a warranty to ensure that our clients are satisfied with the final result. Can I supply my own materials for the renovation? Yes, you can, but we can also provide recommendations and assistance with sourcing materials. Do you have experience working with specific types of kitchens? Yes, we have experience working with a variety of kitchen styles and layouts to meet the needs of our clients. How do I prepare for a kitchen renovation? We will provide you with a detailed list of preparations to make before the renovation begins, such as clearing out the kitchen and removing appliances. How do I schedule a consultation with your team? You can schedule a consultation by calling 857-437-5988 or filling out the contact form on our website. Speak to a kitchen renovation expert and get started on your renovation journey. Call us at 857-437-5988 to request a free kitchen renovation estimate. Visit kitchenrenovationboss.com. Happy renovating.